Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Betrayed after 10 years of marriage, he kissed another woman. My name is Bella. I am 33 years old. For 10 long years, I believed my life was perfect. I had a husband, Robert, who I thought was my soulmate. I had a beautiful daughter, Mera, who is 7 years old. We were a family, or at least I thought we were. But one Friday night, my entire world collapsed in front of me. When Bella married Robert, she believed she had found the safest place in the world. He was charming, gentle, hardworking, the kind of man she trusted wholly. Together they built a home, together they raised their little girl, together they created a life filled with moments that looked perfect from the outside. And sometimes the darkest storms formed silently, and Bella never saw hers coming. Over months, Robert changed. His smiles became rare. His phone stayed locked. He spent more time outside than at home. He avoided family dinners. He turned cold when Bella asked simple questions. Bella tried to ignore the signs. She told herself he was stressed, tired, overwhelmed. But a woman's heart knows when love is fading. It was a Friday evening, a quiet, ordinary night that would become unforgettable. Robert said he had extra work to finish and would come home late. His voice was shaky, his eyes avoided hers. Bella had no idea that this would be the last night she ever trusted him. Hours passed. He didn't return. Bella's heart filled with unease. Something told her, go, you need to go. Bella drove toward Robert's office building. Her hands trembled on the steering wheel. Her chest felt tight. Halfway there, she saw him. Under a dim street light, standing close to another woman, Bella slowed her car. She leaned forward, and then she saw it clearly. Robert kissed her. Not a case of a mistake, not a case of an accident, but a case filled with affection, passion, a case that did not belong to her anymore. Bella's world shattered. She sat in her car, tears streaming down her face, whispering, no, no, Robert, why? Bella didn't confront him there. She drove home in complete silence. Her heart felt like it was breaking with every breath. Every memory stabbed her like a blade. 10 years of love, 10 years of trust, 10 years of believing in a man who wasn't hers anymore. Her daughter was sleeping when she entered the house. Bella sat beside her bed and cried silently, holding Mira's tiny hand. She knew what she had to do. When Robert finally came home, Bella was waiting. Her eyes were puffy, her voice was shaking, but her heart was strong. Who is she, Robert? She asked. Robert didn't deny it, didn't lie, didn't even hesitate. He confessed everything. He loved someone else. He had been meeting her secretly, and he didn't know how to tell Bella. Bella felt a knife twist inside her chest. But she didn't scream. She didn't beg. She didn't fight. She simply said, thank you for telling me the truth, at least now. Bella quietly packed her bags, folded Mira's little clothes, took her important documents, and walked out without looking back. Robert stood frozen, speechless, watching the women he once loved walk away with their daughter. Bella whispered to herself, I deserve peace. My daughter deserves peace. That night, Bella returned to her mother's home. The moment she stepped inside, her mother held her tightly and said, "You are safe now." For the first time in hours, Bella allowed herself to break down completely. Life at her mother's home wasn't easy, but it was peaceful. Bella slowly rebuilt herself. She spent time with Mira. She rediscovered her strength. She learned to live without the man she thought she couldn't live without. Every day she healed a little more. Every day she grew stronger. Bella realized something powerful. Sometimes walking away isn't weakness, it's survival. Mela speaks directly to the camera. If you are watching this and you have ever been betrayed, please listen to me. You are not weak, you are not worthless, you are not alone. The person who breaks you does not define you. The person who leaves you does not complete you. And the person who hurts you does not deserve your tears. I walked away with my daughter. I chose peace over pain, and I promise you, you can too. Because sometimes living is the first step to finding yourself again. You deserve love, even if it starts with loving yourself. Life doesn't always follow the path we expect. People change, hearts break, but sometimes the ending you never wanted becomes the beginning you needed.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.